Poppin' tags, YSL, smoking gas.
What's good? So I'm back with another video. It's a brand new day. It's a new day. So today, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing a Chrome delete. I'm gonna be getting rid of that Chrome that's around the window, that's around the door, whatever you wanna call it. I'm gonna be blacking it out. I'm gonna be using this 3M gloss black vinyl wrap that I bought from Amazon. It was $30. You should go pick you up some if you're interested in doing this. It's $30. You get 25. It's 25 feet by 2 inches. I'm kind of worried that it might not work. It might not actually cover the whole car, but I'm thinking about cutting the vinyl in 1-inch strips, you know, the long way. That way I know for sure, or not even know for sure, but just, you know, because the trim isn't even that big, so I'm gonna just cut it in 1-inch strips, and then, you know, hopefully it'll cover the whole thing. I'm thinking it will if I do that. Matter of fact, I might do that. But you know what? I'm not gonna keep talking. I'm gonna just go ahead and get straight into this. Before I go any further, make sure you like this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I mean, what you waiting for? So you can see how you could pretty much get half of it on like the whole trim piece. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut the vinyl in half. That way I'm gonna have more pieces that I can lay on the trim piece. That way I know for sure that I have enough to actually wrap both sides. Now, right here, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might not be able to do this. This might stay chrome. All right, so I'm about to wipe it down with some alcohol so I can clean it and stuff. Then I'll start wrapping it. So now I got the first strip down and stuff. Now I gotta cut a line through it. Make sure you like this video. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I mean, what you waiting for? Like, go ahead and subscribe, help me out. Okay, so I just got finished with the back window on the passenger side. Now I'm about to go over to this window and start on that one. This window, it only took me about 15 minutes to do, so it was pretty quick, pretty simple, pretty easy. I didn't need a heat gun or blow dryer, hair dryer, whatever. I mean, it's pretty quick and simple and everything. And I'm gonna just go ahead, go on this side. It should take me another 15 minutes, 30 minutes in total. Now I'm finished with both back windows. I'm about to move to the front. The front's gonna take some more time since the windows are longer. But before that, shit, I almost tripped. Before that, I'm going to remove the mirrors so I can clean up under there and get in those creases and stuff. So I'm getting ready to remove the mirror because I'm going to have to get the wrap behind here and stuff and get it all the way over here. So I'm going to take the mirror off. I got the mirror off now. Now I gotta clean it because it's like real dirty right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol and stuff so it can get clean. Then I'm gonna start wrapping it. It's all done. I finished wrapping the trim, blacked it out, no more chrome. As you can see, the only thing that's chrome is the door handles. This little spot that I was saying that I might not be able to do, I ended up doing it. I did it in like inlays. Surprisingly, I'm not even no professional, but I still figured out how to do it. As you can see, there's like a line right here, stuff like that. So what I'm thinking about doing is, that's just gonna be temporary. I'm gonna end up ordering like a sheet, probably like a 1 foot by 1 sheet that I could just place on there and then just trim it, and it'll be one whole piece instead of those 2 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out so y'all can get a better look of it. Better look at it. And yeah, it's done. Didn't take long. It took me like an hour and a half, hour and a half maybe. So it didn't really take long. It's pretty easy, simple. If you want to do it, go ahead and try it. It's easy. So this the end of the video. I finished the wrap. You seen it. It's looking clean. I like it. It's looking a bit more sportier. The last thing I gotta wrap is the roof. I know I said that in the last video that the last thing I was gonna wrap is the roof, but I had just remembered that I wanted to do the door trim. So I did the door trim, and the last thing is the roof. That video should be up, probably like a week or 2. Like I said, I'm out. The video is over, and I'll see y'all in the next one.